presentation class number 1. So we're going to continue with our classes. So our unit is number 10, around town, and we are going to continue with page 94. So last class we saw page 94. We did a grammar. We're going to for intentions. No, remember? Uh, we did a table with all the elements in this tense, in this grammar. No, like the pronoun, the verb be going to, a verb, and the compound. No, like for example, I'm going to do some acting there for sure. No, remember this was a grammar for intentions. You have affirmative, negative, and also you have questions. Now we're going to continue this page because we're going to check some vocabulary. Okay? So, vocabulary places in a town. So here I have 8 pictures with 8 possible words. No, this is our vocabulary. So the idea for this activity is to match. Look and match the places with the people. For example, what is this? Could be a police officer. You're right. This is a bus. No, and the boy or the girl that drives the bus is a lady. She goes shopping. This could be a party. And what about this? A taxi. Okay. A tennis player. And this one? A phone. Okay. And what about this one? This is a postman. Okay. So, here I have the vocabulary. For example, we have concert hall, parking lot, shopping mall, bus station, police station, post office, a sports center, and soccer stadium. So, if I say number 1, the police officer, no? Police officer. The police station, very good. Now let's continue with the second one. Bus, bus station. Okay, good. And what about the lady? Concert hall, parking lot, shopping mall. Perfect. No? That is good. Now what about 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8? One more. Okay. What about parking lot? A parking lot is a place where the cars parks. Parking. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. So here I have 4 examples and they are right. Now you need to do the others. If you can, we can do this activity in our classes on Friday. Okay? You want to do this activity, you can start a video, but I can continue. Okay? So, work with a partner, describe the place in your partner. Excuse me, work with a partner, work in pairs, describe a place from exercise 1 for your partner to guess. Okay, this is a guessing activity. For example, this is a place where hmm, people go to buy, I don't know, pants or shoes. It's the shopping mall. This is a place where you can take a bus. Bus station. That's good. So that's the idea. No? You need to tell your partner something about this place and your partner is going to guess. Going to. Okay? Now let's continue. In this activity, we have a listening activity. It says activity number 1 and 2. Number 1 says, listen to Tom and Annie. Who is Tom going to the movies with? Emily or Annie? No? For example, Tom is a lucky boy and has two girls, not to invite Annie or Emily, Emily or Annie. So the idea is to listen the audio and tell the class who is the right woman, Emily or Annie. So let's see.
Hey, Annie, what are you doing tonight?
Nothing. Why?
Would you like to go to the movies with me? There's a really good movie playing. It starts at 7.
Um, uh, now I remember.
What?
I'm having dinner with my dad. We're going to a restaurant.
Oh, that's nice. Where?
That new one on Bridge Street. It's Italian.
Yes, I know the one. It's next to the library.
That's it. I'm sorry.
What about tomorrow? There's a show at 3 p.m.
Um, no, I'm playing tennis.
With Emily?
Yes, that's right. With Emily. She's meeting me at the sports center at 2, so no, I can't make it.
There's also a show in the evening. It starts at 6:30. Would you maybe...
I'm sorry. I can't. I'm going to a party with my sister.
Sunday?
My uncle and aunt are visiting. They really want to see the castle, so we're taking them there. Boring. All day. Sorry.
No problem. Never mind. Excuse me a minute. Hello? Hello, Emily. Yes, it's Tom. I'm fine. Nothing. Absolutely. I'd love to. That's great. 7. Okay. I'll see you there about 1:45. Great. Bye.
Was that Emily?
Yes, she wants to go to the movies with me. She's so cool.
Yes. I guess she is.
Okay, now listen. Who wants to go to the movie with Tom? Emily or Annie? Annie or Emily? Okay, this answer you're going to tell me in the class. Okay? If you want to listen again, you can backward the video and listen the audio again. There's no problem, and you can practice. Okay, let's continue with the second activity. Listen again and complete the sentences with places in town. Okay, so this is the idea. No, okay, this is the first activity. No, Emily or Annie, Annie or Emily. No, the second activity. We listen the audio. Don't want to take Annie to the and remember the vocabulary. Bus station, police station, post office, to the movies, etc. No, there is a new on Bridge Street. A new what? A new mall, a new restaurant. The restaurant is next to the, what did they say? The bookstore, the library, the bakery, no? And is meeting Emily at the stadium, sports center. Annie's relative wants to see the. So, once again, if you want to answer those sentences, you can play the audio. And I played the audio before. Okay? So, if you want to, you can listen to the audio and answer the questions. Okay? And in our classes, we can solve this activity. Okay? So that's the idea. You need to improve your English. So in this way, if you want to solve this activity, do it. But if you want to wait for me, there's no problem. Okay? Let's see. Grammar. Well, eh, about the grammar, it says present continuous for plans. No, the idea is for present continuous. In the last class, we saw be going to for intention. No, maybe yes, maybe no. But in this case, it says present continuous for plans. So you are planning. Okay, remember, you are planning is not that you are going to do it yes or yes. You are planning maybe tomorrow, next week, in 10 days, in 1 month, in 1 year. No, that's the idea. Remember, present continuous. For example, what are you doing or do you do? Remember, when we use the present continuous, we use the ing form with the verb. Exactly. Are you doing? What are you doing tonight? Hmm? Number two, I am or am having or I have. Yes, Mr. The ing form. I'm having dinner with my dad. We are going or we go. Remember, present continuous. We're going to a restaurant. Look, yes, that's very easy. No? This is a famous present continuous. For plans, okay, for future plans. No? Hey, what are you doing tonight? In my case, well, I am going to the movies, Mister COVID-19. You can go to the movies. Okay, you're right. I was inventing. Okay, what are you doing tonight? Okay, I am doing my classes for Friday. Okay, I am cooking, I am driving, I am eating, etc. Here I have another activity, says rule, no? Here we have a rule. Look at the example, no? Let me see, it's only one. Now listen, here I have this box that says rules, no? So what's the idea? The idea is to complete with present, future, or plans. We use the we can use the continuous to talk about for the. Yes, no, it's here. Present continuous. So here is present. We can use the present continuous to talk about plans or future. Teacher, plans. Okay, we can use the present continuous to talk about plans for the future. No, Mister, change. What? We use the present continuous about future for the plans. Interesting. Okay, but the right answer is we can use the present continuous to talk about plans for the future. Okay? Now listen. The idea is the present continuous. Remember the five elements. The pronoun, the verb be, the verb plus ing and the complement. Examples. I am playing soccer. Am playing soccer. You are driving a car. She is cooking sopa seca. It is running in the park. We are swimming in Serra Azul, or they are drinking some pisco sour. No, that's the idea. And the negative form. I'm not. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We aren't. They aren't. No, and you continue with the sentences. Okay, let's see. Here I have activity number 2. Complete the sentences. Use the present continuous form of the verbs. Focus on present continuous, class. And remember, the present continuous is with the verb be. There is an example with number 0. It says, I'm going, because the verb between brackets is go. No, I'm going to dance party on Saturday. Now, number 2 is Oliver. Oliver, apostrophe, okay. Oliver, is or are? Oliver's, okay. Oliver's, but it's a negative one. So, Oliver isn't. Isn't come? No, coming to my house this afternoon. Okay, remember the pronoun, in this case it's noun, Oliver, the verb being negative, isn't, the verb plus the ing form, coming, and the complement to my house this afternoon. Sarah and I do. Sarah and I are doing an hire. Okay, Sarah and I are, or if you want, we can write completely. Okay, Sarah and I are doing our homework together after school. Okay, what about number 3 and number 4? Okay, let's check those answers. 1, 2, 3. Yes, your answers are right. No, and you have 1, 2, and 3 and 4 to continue. Okay, you can do this, and you can, if you pay attention, you can do it good. If you don't, if you have problems, you can ask me in our classes. Okay? Remember, present continuous. Here I have another activity with present continuous. Read and complete. Use the present continuous form of the verbs in the box. Not do, go, buy, meet, do, and play. And we have Kenny and Olivia. Paul and I soccer this afternoon. Play, teacher. Yes, play. Okay, play. But you need something extra here. I am. Okay. Playing. Okay. But here says Paul and I. Paul and me. We are. Yes, are. Playing soccer this afternoon. Do you want to come? Okay. Can I invite him? He is teacher. Okay. He is anything today. He is. He is. Remember, this is a trick. When I use any, could be negative or could be a question. But there is only one negative. Could be isn't, yeah, isn't, do, or doing, doing. Anything today. Sure. And what about your brother? Is, very good. Is he what? Could be going, badging, meeting. Let's check those examples. No, the examples are right. What about you? Can you solve those exercises? Yes? Perfect. Now, do the activities and you can show me your answers in our classes on Friday. Okay? Remember, number 1, number 2, and part of the number 3 is already done. You need to continue solving this activity. Okay? Well, here I have a listening activity. It says, listen and complete Annie's calendar. So the idea is to listen and write what happened on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Easy? Okay, remember, on Friday you have the answer, dinner with dad. No, remember? It's the same audio. On Saturday, what happened? There are 2 activities, and on Sunday there is 1 extra activity. Okay?
Hey, Annie, what are you doing tonight?
Nothing. Why?
Would you like to go to the movies with me? There's a really good movie playing. It starts at 7.
Now I remember.
What?
I'm having dinner with my dad. We're going to a restaurant.
Oh, that's nice. Where?
That new one on Bridge Street. It's Italian.
Yes, I know the one. It's next to the library.
That's it. I'm sorry.
What about tomorrow? There's a show at 3 p.m.
No, I'm playing tennis.
With Emily?
Yes, that's right. With Emily. She's meeting me at the sports center at 2, so no, I can't make it.
There's also a show in the evening. It starts at 6:30. Would you maybe...
I'm sorry, I can't. I'm going to a party with my sister.
Sunday?
My uncle and aunt are visiting. They really want to see the castle, so we're taking them there. Boring, all day, sorry.
No problem. Never mind. Excuse
Okay, it's the same audio as I told you before. So, the idea is to answer. On Friday, dinner with dad. On Saturday, two activities. What are those activities? And also, on Sunday, please, we're going to see this activity on Friday. So, if you want to answer, excellent. That's no problem. Okay? You can get ready for your classes. If you can, we did it on our classes. Okay? Here I have another activity that says inviting and making plans. So, as you can see in this audio, Tom wants to invite Annie to go out, no? To the movies, to a restaurant, to many places. No, the idea is to create an invitation, to make an invitation and making plans, no? Okay, I'm going to invite someone and we're going to, and I'm planning. I'm going to eat ceviche, I'm going to go swimming, I'm going to etc. No? But also you can accept or not. For example, accepting or refusing. Refusing is the negative form. Let's see. Like to go to the movies. So here we are going to use a special word, would. Would you? Would you like to go to the movie with me? It's like, ¿te gustaría ir al cine conmigo? Yes? No? For example, there is another question. Uh-huh. Would Would you want to go to the movies with me? Would you like? Would you want? Mister, what's the answer? Or what's the right? Both are right. It depends on you. Okay? Accepting. So if you want to go to the movies, you can say I in the first one. I'd like to. Or that would be great. Another answer, yes, it's a good idea. Thanks. Or of course, I want to or I would like. No, there are many ways to say yes. But when I say refusing is the opposite, is I don't want to. No quiero. I'm sorry, I and you give an excuse. It's like I am, remember, I am having dinner. I am having dinner or I'm having dinner. No, I'm having dinner. Okay, it's a possible answer. No, oh, I'm sorry. I have to study for my English exam. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't. I have to go to the. I don't know. I have to go, or I am visiting my grandparents. No, I am visiting my grandparents. No, in the refusing, you need to give an excuse. Okay, an excuse. We're going to check it on Friday to see it. Okay, but you have the idea. Okay, here also I have some activities about this. No, we're going to check it later. And here I have a reading activity. No, in this reading activity on page 96 says our town. No, here I have some pictures. For example, what are the problems in these pictures? No, there is a problem, there is a problem, there is a problem, and there is a problem. This is well known for you. For example, when you want to cross the road, no, and there are a lot of cars, and you want to cross, and it's very dangerous. No? What happened here? There are three boys. What's happening? Or maybe here. No, this wall, there is a graffiti. Do you think it's good or bad? Or maybe here, people that don't know wastebasket, tacho de basura, no? Read the letters and match the problems with the photos. Right, 1 to 4. So the idea here is to read 1, 2, 3, and 4 and to match those letters with those pictures. No? With those pictures. That's very easy. Okay, you can do it. And finally here I have some questions. No? Read the letter again and answer the question. Question number 1. Let's see. Question number 1 says, what does Charlie think people who litter should do? Number 2. What does Mark think young people need in the town? Number 3. What does Pauline want to do to make the road safer? And number 4. What does Patty think will help stop the graffiti problem? But to answer those questions, you need to read this letter. Okay? So we're going to do this activity next class. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks second A, B, C, and D from Mr. San Jose, Cerro Alegre. And see you on Friday. And remember, take care. Greetings. Bye bye.